In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to utilize monday.com for customer support ticket management. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. First, we need to set up your board with a template. Begin by opening your workspace within monday.com. Look for the option to add a new board. When prompted, select the option that says Start with Template. In the search bar, type in keywords like customer support or ticketing. This search will bring up a range of pre-designed structures aimed specifically at managing support requests. Once you find the right template, click Use Template, and it will automatically generate groups, columns, and views tailored to your support needs. Now that we've got your board set up, it's time to organize your tickets. The main table view will act as your master list. From here, you can add new items for each support request that comes in. Make sure to assign tickets to the appropriate team members, update their status, and set due dates to help keep everyone on track. To better manage the flow of tickets, switch to the Open Requests view. This will allow you to focus solely on active tickets. Alternatively, if you want to take a look back at resolved issues, you can switch to the Closed Requests view. Next, let's automate ticket submission. Monday.com offers a form view, which is a customer-facing interface. Share this form with your customers, and every time a user submits a ticket, a new, detailed item will automatically appear on your board. This feature not only streamlines the submission process, but also reduces the chances of human error. Managing your team's workload is crucial, so let's explore that next. Click on the Team Workload view to get an overview of which agents are handling the most tickets. This insight will allow you to balance assignments more effectively. Additionally, leverage the Status Breakdown view, which provides a high-level overview of progress using charts and summaries. This will help you quickly assess where your team stands on resolving tickets. One important aspect of effective ticket management is visual triage and customization. Utilize the Kanban view, which allows you to drag and drop ticket cards between the different status columns during your triage sessions. This visual layout helps your team quickly see the status of all tickets at a glance. If you want an even clearer way to scan incoming ticket details, consider using the new keycard view. And finally, if you find yourself needing a specialized layout, don't forget about the blank view. This feature enables you to build a custom dashboard or filter tailored specifically to your team's needs. By following these steps, you will be well on your way to effectively managing customer support tickets using monday.com. Each feature we discussed plays a vital role in streamlining your workflow, enhancing team communication, and improving overall customer satisfaction. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check back for more helpful tutorials.